This one now all the way from Ghana. This thing shele inside Ghana. They say soldiers go dey brutalize people of war. This one will be upper west region inside Ghana. They just go there, go dey beat people. Make una come ask me say because of wetin? They say because of phone. Bia na even yam phone, bia na palace a phone say person even know. Say the soldier lost him phone. Because of that one, he can't go there. Abeg, why soldiers? Now, you be like say they don't dey misbehave. On a sure say no be this COVID vaccine they share, now they make everybody don dey kolo. Because I no dey understand wetin make soldier go just come out and go dey brutalize people. Say because you lost your phone, you be God. Now you be the first person where they lost phone. Normal person they lost phone, you know they even reason and say make him go beat the whole street, say they thief him phone. So because you now you can't be soldier, now there you can't gather moral, say as you be king of the world, you go gather your squad. Come gather squad. All the army people come outside, go they beat people for real. My people beg, make now watch.
And so near that they don't even no. No. How? Thank God we are taking short of this. How? And so you just have to brutalize this person like this without even telling him the reason why you are even assaulting him. This is unacceptable. How? MC Lord now, you know what I don't know.
See, put person inside gutter where we say dirty things inside they beat them. In fact, all these military people now accept now don't kolo. So what they worry on? Share this one now part of punishment I've been waiting. Why be saying I go they do treatments so they give na inside na own military camp now come carry am come out like when they give civilian. Civilian when no strong now. We go through this process. On I know say the person fit just die. Mumu mutin. Say you see that inside Kekemaru abina Mahama Kambo abiti they even call her. Your phone con lost inside. Why you no find your phone? Track am. She be military officer. Find your tracking and people where the phone off. Be like go track the phone. Why be say na con street con they beat people say they thief your phone. Con they misbehave anyhow. Person when they even know any system they go just stop you for road beat you. This one don't make sense at all. If like say Africans and this black thing, they don't swear for everybody. They don't swear for everybody. Say if you just did this Africa, you go at one point you go just have to misbehave. You feel they're normal now, but maybe in some years time the thing will just start. Because I know they understand. Military people be like, not be even for only Nigeria, not be for only Ghana. Self they even have everywhere now. Nigeria own they military they misbehave. Ghana self they misbehave. It means say now this is a global thing. So if I don't go surprise say for abroad, they go say the thief person banana, military don't go they beat people. Cause this one na craze. You don't they enter craze, but in fact, now what make me even like Ghana? I sure say them now, they go fish out than this military people will do this kind. You know be like Nigeria. Where we say military go even carry gun, go keep person. They don't go do anything. They will come they lie say now unknown gunmen. At least this one we go know say we go see their faces sooner or later. They go bring them come and give them the punishment where they deserve. Because even if person, you know the person will take your phone, you're not supposed to treat this person like goat. These people they be animal. Come put now the goat and own self now they vex me. Come chook them inside. Say make they bend down, they do it. The one they lick the gutter water, ability the one they do inside. All these people in their matter don't tire me. Now don't say that they intimidate civilians because of say wait now wear army clothes. So this army clothes go cast because for some countries they wear and share. Because on I don't wear them. Now come gather mora say na be. Wait oh, if say na waiting na be president name say na do phone call loss unko. The whole of Ghana everybody go collect it. Because if say na your own phone loss, I mean na in something loss. Everybody don't die inside Ghana be that too. If ordinary military as long as say your rank self never reach anything. You go come as I say you won't go dey beat a whole street. People wey inside the war street. Craze they really worry. My people, I hear this one. I can't make a bring and come on outside. Make an use my ear. Hear wetin dey happen. Make you not forget to comment about wetin I just talk about. Make you also forget to like and also share this video. I will see you on for our next video.